Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX works out currently as planned. We are working still on this C wave to the upside. I mean, there are different interpretations of this chart. First of all, we are just looking if the chart can reach, or if the price can reach, the area between $14 and $18.54. That's the next target area. We will watch closely for a reaction in this area. If we break above it, then something more bullish is going on, and we will watch for the next target area, resistance area up here. Okay, so let me just delete that little dot there. So a few days ago, actually pretty much at the low, I highlighted that AVAX is probably starting wave C of 2 after it completed waves A and B already. So it's starting wave C. If you watched, I think it was even on X, I'm not sure. If you watched our tweet or videos, you will know that. Now the C wave should unfold as a 5-wave move. It is a bit messy, that structure. So again, that's how these good old messy altcoin charts look like. Sometimes you just don't recognize a proper structure. So we still give our best, yeah. But again, as I always say, when they run, they run. So basically grab the bull by the horns as long as it's running. And what we can do is just add support, and the bullish support level here was at $9.20. That did hold. The forecast for further upside can further be validated. We then had a breakout of this trend line here. It was retested from above, and now we are moving higher. Looks like we are now moving in wave 3 of 3 of C. Again, something more bullish can always unfold, but first of all, we will need to see if all 5 waves can fill, and we're tracking an uptrend. Just note, and I say it these days in many videos because we have a lot of new viewers, just note that these waves can extend more than you might think. That's something that cannot be predicted, but we know that often happens in the crypto market. Not always, and therefore it cannot be predicted. Therefore, it is so useful to first have a core position in the coin that you like to trade. Typically, that's what I recommend. Typically, it's very general guidance, so it's not specific advice what's right for you. You have to decide, but it's just general guidance. You know, having a good core position in the coin you like to trade helps to keep FOMO at bay. And then you just roll up the stop, you know, just move the stop with the price, have a trailing stop maybe, different strategies to play this. In a third wave, what you don't want to do, you don't want to watch for that third wave, and you don't want to sell everything here to buy back in wave 4, yeah, to trade wave 5, to sell again here, to buy back. That just doesn't work in crypto. No, it just doesn't work. What does work is having a core position, scaling out in resistance, scaling back in support, gridding around a little bit, but you will not make typically more profit than just buy and hold in a third wave, okay? That's typically what is recommended, because these waves they can be very aggressive. And this is a third wave, third of a third, and we'll see how far it extends. If it breaks above $18.55, then we're going to watch for higher for the next area up there. So as long as the trend is going and it's up now, we're focusing on the uptrend, but we've got several pivots that, if broken to the upside, will reduce the likelihood of another bear market low. Okay. And what would be the target for this third wave there? So to measure that, we take the length of the wave 1. We go to the low of the wave 2, which was quite short. And then what we would expect is, at a minimum in the third wave, $14.60. Yeah, so the 1.236 fib extension would be ideal. We can also, let me see, we've got that. We can also use the subwave structures of that smaller degree. And then wave 3 of 3 would need to reach a minimum of 12.59. Minimum, but it should get there. I mean, they can stretch out higher. The 1.618 extension is common, $13.19, and then we'll see how this fills in. Yeah, so the way this looks, to get to $14.67, this third of a third needs to extend a little. We'll see how that plays out. Support is round about $10.10 90, which is the low that was made today. Yeah. Yeah, that's how we see AVAX at the moment. So it's an uptrend. We're tracking it. I'm not going to tell you that it will get rejected in resistance. There's a good chance it will be. But first of all, we have to get there anyway, okay? And as long as the micro support is holding that we're going to track, the focus can be on higher for now. Don't fight the trend, yeah? Especially not when the trend starts on the multi-hour charts, multi-hour time frames, and is up. You don't want to fight the trend. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.